This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Lagos, Portugal. 1. Ponta da Piedade's Cliffs. Start your Lagos adventure at Ponta da Piedade, the crown jewel of the Algarve coastline. Located just a 10-minute drive from the marina, this stunning natural wonder features towering golden cliffs, dramatic sea arches, and hidden grottos carved by centuries of Atlantic waves. You can walk along the well-marked cliff-top trails for panoramic views of the crystal-clear waters below. For the best experience, take a guided boat tour from Lagos Marina to explore the sea caves up close. If you are feeling adventurous, rent a kayak or stand-up paddleboard to paddle through narrow sea tunnels and hidden coves that are only accessible from the water. Visit at sunset when the golden cliffs glow in the warm light. This is the most iconic sight in Lagos and an absolute must-see. 2. Lagos's historic Old Town. Next, wander through the charming cobblestone streets of Lagos's historic center. The Old Town is enclosed by 16th-century walls and filled with small squares, traditional restaurants, and historical landmarks. Stop at the Igreja de Santo Antonio, Church of St. Anthony, a beautiful 18th-century Baroque church with one of the finest gilded interiors in Portugal. Visit the Museu Municipal de Lagos to learn about the town's maritime history and its role in Portugal's age of exploration. The museum is housed in a former slave market building and offers a sobering glimpse into the city's past. Explore the Forte da Ponta da Bandeira, a 17th-century coastal fortress that offers fantastic views over the coastline. A self-guided walking tour along the waterfront is a perfect way to get oriented. 3. Praia Dona's Golden Sands. Spend a relaxing day at Praia Dona, one of Lagos's most beautiful and popular beaches. This picture-perfect cove features golden sand, crystal-clear blue waters, and dramatic ochre cliffs that frame the shoreline. The beach has a relaxed atmosphere, with cafes nearby for refreshments. It is a great spot for swimming, sunbathing, and enjoying a leisurely walk along the beach. For the best experience, arrive early to avoid the crowds and enjoy the tranquility of this stunning beach. The beach is often named among Europe's best beaches. It is easily accessible on foot or by local bus from the town center. 4. Boat Tour Adventure. Take a boat tour from Lagos Marina to explore the stunning Algarve coastline. Several companies offer boat trips that take you to some of the area's most iconic sites, including the dramatic cliffs and hidden caves of Ponta da Piedade. Many tours also offer dolphin watching, so keep your eyes peeled for these playful creatures. For a more private experience, you can charter a boat for a personalized tour along the coast. The views of the cliffs, hidden beaches, and caves are absolutely unforgettable. Smaller boats can even enter the caves for a closer look. This is one of the best ways to experience the Algarve coastline. 5. Kayak the Sea Caves. For a more adventurous experience, rent a kayak and paddle along the coastline. Kayaking allows you to get closer to the rocky cliffs and explore sea caves and grottos that are only accessible by small boat or kayak. Local guides share stories behind the rock formation shaped by wind and time. This is the most immersive way to see the stunning coastline. Several tour operators in Lagos Marina offer guided kayaking tours that include all the necessary equipment. It is a fantastic way to explore hidden coves and experience the natural beauty of the Algarve from a unique perspective. No experience is necessary, as guides provide instruction and support. 6. Praia do Camilo's Wooden Stairs. Visit Praia do Camilo, one of Lagos's most picturesque beaches. This sheltered cove is accessed by a long wooden staircase that winds down the cliff face. The beach features golden sand, clear turquoise water, and dramatic rock formations. It is a popular spot for swimming and sunbathing. The beach is smaller and more intimate than Praia Dona, making it a great choice if you prefer a quieter setting. The wooden staircase is a popular spot for photos, offering stunning views of the coastline. It is a short walk from the town center. Arrive early to secure a spot, as the beach can get busy during peak season. 7. Meia Praia's long stretch. Head to Meia Praia, a 4-kilometer stretch of golden sand to the east of the city. This is one of the longest beaches in the Algarve and offers plenty of space to spread out. The beach is popular for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports like paddleboarding. It is also a great spot for a long walk along the shore. Meia Praia is a 25-minute walk east across the Marina footbridge or a short bus ride from the town center. The beach has a more relaxed and less crowded feel than some of the smaller coves. It is perfect for families and anyone looking for a peaceful day by the sea. 8. Lagos Mercado Municipal. Experience local life at the Mercado Municipal de Lagos, Lagos Municipal Market. This covered market is where locals shop for fresh fish, local produce, and Portuguese specialities. Visit in the morning to see the day's catch and regional specialities. The market is a great place to pick up fresh ingredients for a picnic or to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. It is also a great spot for souvenirs like traditional ceramics or locally made crafts. The market is located in the town center and is easily accessible on foot. It is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture and taste the flavors of the Algarve. 9. Fisherman's Trail Hike. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the Fisherman's Trail, a stunning coastal path that runs along the Algarve coastline. The trail offers breathtaking views of the dramatic cliffs, golden beaches, and crystal-clear waters. You can start at Praia do Pinhão and walk south past Ponta de Piedade, continuing to Praia do Porto de Mos. The trail is well marked and suitable for most fitness levels. It is a fantastic way to experience the natural beauty of the coastline away from the crowds. The further you go, the quieter it gets. Pack water and sunscreen, as there is little shade along the route. This is one of the best ways to appreciate the rugged beauty of the Algarve. 10. Oyster tasting at OstraSelect. Finally, you cannot leave Lagos without tasting the fresh local oysters. Head to OstraSelect, a popular spot for slurping just harvested oysters. The oysters are incredibly fresh and served with a variety of accompaniments. It is a fantastic way to experience the flavors of the sea. Pair your oysters with a glass of local white wine or a chilled beer. OstraSelect is located in the town center and is easily accessible on foot. It is a perfect activity for a light lunch or a pre-dinner snack. The friendly staff will guide you through the different varieties. This is a true taste of the Algarve and a delicious way to end your Lagos adventure.